Standard 9, Subject Geography, Chapter 2, Endogenetic Movements. Good morning, children. Now we are going to learn about endogenetic movements below the Earth's surface. Various natural events occur on the Earth from time to time. Example, floods, storms, snowfall, extreme rainfall, etc. Similarly, because of the movements below the Earth's surface, natural events like earthquakes and volcanic eruptions occur. These events are disastrous. Earthquakes and volcanoes occur because of the instability in the interior of the Earth. The movements in the Earth's interior occur in the upper layer of the mantle. Tremendous energy is released by radioactive materials in the mantle. These energy waves travel from one place to another. Due to such a flow of energy, instability is caused in the mantle. The movements are classified on the basis of their velocity, direction and the landforms they produced. The effect of slow movements can be seen in the landform of formation of mountains and continents on the Earth's crust. Let's learn about fold mountains. Energy is transferred from the interior of the Earth. Because of these energy waves and pressure working towards each other and in horizontal direction, the layer of the soft rocks form folds. If the pressure is very high, large scale folds are formed and their complexity increases. As a result, the surface of the earth gets uplifted and fold mountains are formed. The Himalayas, the Aravalis, the Rockies, the Andes, the Alps are the major fold mountains of the world. Now see how block mountains are formed. When movements occur in the opposite direction to each other, tension is generated and faults are formed in the earth's crust. So block mountains are formed. Now see this figure. Because of internal movements, horizontal waves moving away from each other are formed. This causes tension on the layers of rocks. This leads to formation of fractures in the rocks. These are known as faults. Similarly, waves coming towards each other in hard rocks also form faults due to compression. When a part of the earth's crust in between two parallel faults is lifted, it looks like a block. Such a landform is known as a block mountain. The hilltops of block mountains are flat. In the early stages, they do not have any peak. Their slopes are steep. For example, Black Forest Mountains in Europe. The Meghalaya Plateau of India has also been formed in similar way. Now learn what is rift valleys. Sometimes two fractures develop side by side in the earth's crust. The land in between the two fractures subsides. This subsided deep part is called rift valley. Both the slopes of a rift valley are steep. For example, the rift valley of river Narmada in India, the Great Rift Valley of Africa, the Rhine Rift Valley, that is on Rhine River of Europe. In next part of our lecture, we will learn about the movements in the earth and volcanoes.
Till then, thank you.